want action, and you want suspense, and you want laughs, then Dogman is go!
Dogman is go? That don't make no sense.
But we like it!
Go! Dogman is go! Gotta run and fight and do what's right. His bark is mighty like his bite. Go! Dogman is go! We don't know exactly what that means, but when evil schemes make people scream, oh no! Go, go, go! Dogman is go! He saw those beastly buildings. Gooba gabba, gooba gabba.
And the citizens were stressing.
But he spied a tanker truck nearby, hauling gallons of French dressing.
Hey, this is no time to start chasing cars, Dogman. Huh? You've got an idea.
The solution was clear to see. He could drive to victory. Go! Dogman is go! Gotta dump that dressing on the town and make those buildings topple down. Go! Dogman is go! And behind that truck he's riding, see those buildings slip and sliding to and fro. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Dogman is go!
Woohoo! Dogman, you did it! It's the French dressing revolution!
Dogman, I should have known.
Prepare to meet your doom, do-gooder!
Meanwhile, back in Petey's secret lab.
Yeah, it's a robo dance party. Let's give it a spin. You do the funky malfunction with a Bluetooth grin. Get your gigabytes grooving like your rivets uptight. We're gonna back up all that data while we boogie all night. Woo!
You are driving me cray-cray.
Uh-oh! Dogman is in trouble.
Really? How wonderful.
We gotta go help him. I'm coming, Dogman!
Wait! We're supposed to be the bad guys!
Go! Dogman is go! Those buildings are a fatal threat, and they won't stop till they finally get their full. No, no, no! Dogman is...
Uh-oh, they got us!
The buildings had them cornered. Gooba gabba, gooba
There was
gabba.
something they could do.
Looks like this is the end, Dogman.
The chief was scared and wet his pants.
Hey, come on, that's not true!
Nowhere else for them to run. Looks like Dogman's finally done.
Don't worry, I'll save you. Watch out, buildings. I'm coming to get you!